If Chain had existed 10 years ago and we knew about them, our company would be much further along today than it is. My name is Gregg Borgeson. I'm CEO and founder of XWorks Inc. XWorks helps forwarders in the United States extend their operating systems to include full integration with all of their trucking networks. In the past, and for most of our history, XWorks had one huge problem. We would introduce our product to potential forwarder clients. They would inevitably see the value and be very enthusiastic about it, but it required integration, and a fairly complex integration, with their operating system. So before they could entertain signing a contract with us, they had to go through their IT department. It was frustrating. We got the customers, but it took years in many cases. We didn't really know there was a solution until we came to hear about Chain.io, and I can tell you it immediately changed the game. We could talk to a forwarder customer, and instead of saying, okay, now you got to talk to your IT department and convince them and see what their timing is, we could say to them, this is going to have a very minor requirement from your IT department. They just have to format a few things. But the integration, the mapping, and so forth is all going to be done by our partner, Chain.io. We're deeply impressed with Chain's intimate knowledge of our business. We can talk to them as equals, and even more impressed with the depth of their understanding of the systems that forwarders use. In the past, in many cases, the process between the time a customer wanted to buy the product and they could use the product was measured in years. Now we measure it in a few months because of Chain.io. We think they're good for the industry. This industry needs connectivity. It is behind the times, and Chain has an important role in the advancement of logistics globally, I think, and particularly in the US.